video, we are going to go through the keyword planner. So I've given you a lot of different ways to find keywords, and what I want you to do, especially in the beginning, is use a keyword planner because you want to really make sure that the keywords that you are using are absolutely the best keywords you could use. So this is just a little keyword planner that you can use that will help you. So you can put the title of your video here. You can put the keyword that you found, the search volume, the search pool, the TubeBuddy rating, and then any notes that you have. So this sheet is very easy. All you're going to do is just put your keyword in. So once you think you have found some good keywords, then what I want you to do is I want you to put the keyword in here with the search volume and the search pool. And then when you get to YouTube, you're going to check the TubeBuddy rating. So let's just run through one. Let's start with keywords everywhere. Whoop. All right, so let's look up how to paint furniture. Okay, there we go. All right, so if we put in on Google how to paint furniture, then what we're going to have is keywords everywhere is going to come up and give us all this information. So remember, we want our volume to be less than 2,500. So you can tell that the more specific you are, the better the volume is. So we have how to paint furniture with chalk paint. So let's put that one down. So that would probably be our title, how to paint furniture with chalk paint. Okay, so our keyword is going to also be how to paint furniture with chalk paint. So let's see, the search volume was 1,300. Okay, so 1,300. Our search pool. So we're going to find our search pool when we go over to YouTube. Okay, and on YouTube, what you want to do is you want to come up from your dashboard and you want to click on the red TubeBuddy up here, and you want to go to Keyword Explorer. So we're going to put that same exact keyword phrase right in here. So I'll come back over here, copy it. I'm going to go back over here to Keyword Explorer and put that in. Now it's going to give us a rating. So this is what you want to get out of this little process. It's in the good category. So remember, you want from fair to great. So anything, and of course, the farther down it gets into the green area, the better. So this one is pretty good right here. Okay, so purchase per month is 14.8 thousand. So that's our pool right there, 14.8 thousand. So let's come back over and our pool right there. So that definitely fits within what we want, and we'll just put good. Okay, so if you had any notes about that, perhaps you would want to use a note with ideas that you could do with different videos that are related to this. But the way I want you to use this sheet is to just kind of spend a little time planning out what keywords, and then what you're going to do, especially in this note section, is you are going to go back to the analytics after you have put that video up and it's had a little bit of time. You can go to the specific video that you did those keywords on. You can click in the video and you can click on analytics, and you can see how your keyword did. So remember, over here is where your keywords are going to pop up. Okay. So you would want to look in here and see which keywords helped you rank. So this is how you're going to be able to tell if your keyword is working out well for you. So I know this seems like a tedious process. However, in the beginning, this is really what you want to do, because the more you can get out of each keyword, the better chance you're going to have of ranking that video. So remember, the more times you rank your video, the more YouTube is going to suggest you, and then the more opportunities you have to be seen. So you want to use this keyword planner. It doesn't matter which method you use. I do want you to come back and check it in TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is putting all of this information in here, and it is based on all of the information that is in YouTube. So of course, that's the most relevant information. Another thing that you can also get out of TubeBuddy when you are working on this, so let's go back and copy this again, put it back in. Okay, so it is also going to tell you other related searches. So you can see these searches here, which ones of these are going to relate to your channel, and you can easily click on them to see how they do. So here's one that's excellent. So you see the search volume is only 730. You can also see down here the most used tags. Okay, so you know that chalk paint would definitely be one of your tags, but you would also want a lot of these tags that would get you more detailed results. You can also look at, let's go back to our original. Okay. You can also get more information on what is trending for those keywords. So the results that come up for those keywords, the things that are trending. Looks like on this one, it really only has a summary and results. There's really nothing in trending, but you can get more information. So it's picking up chalk paint, and you can kind of see which videos are using that. So look here, this one has 236,000, 306,000. So you might want to go ahead and jump on these channels and see what kind of keywords they're using. So when you're using your keyword planner, one of the things that you want to do is, once you find some of these keywords, you can go to channels that are ranking high for those keywords, and you can look at the different tags that they are using on their channel. So they're already doing a great job on this channel. Okay, so they got a lot of views on this video. And so you would want to just look and see which one of these might actually work for you. You can copy these into your clipboard. You can look at them. You can check them on TubeBuddy with your Keyword Explorer and just try some of these keywords out. So this is a really great little tool that TubeBuddy gives to you and really will help you. So this is one of the great things that you can use when you are looking at related channels. So remember, we've talked about related channels in prior trainings, and one of the things that you want to do is see what's doing really well on related channels, and then go to that video and see what tags they're using, because some of those tags that they're using have helped them rank. So when I talk about rank and I talk about suggested, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so these videos that have come up here on the side are ranked videos. These are suggested videos. Okay, and one thing I want you to look at is based on these pictures, these are what you're going to pick. So this is the thumbnail that you're seeing. So that's why thumbnail is so important. See, this one is pretty appealing. It has a little bit of words on it. This one has too many words. You can't really see what it says. This one is very hard to see. So you can see what you need to do to make sure that your picture, so this one's good. It just has a picture of the project. You really want to have a good thumbnail because that's going to give you the best chance of someone clicking on your video, because they're going to scroll down through here, and if something catches their attention, there is a good chance that they're going to click on that and go watch it. So that's why that is so important. So make sure you are using this keyword planner, especially in the beginning. So this note section can be used to put in related channels, to put in how your keywords are doing when you're looking at your analytics.